Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a few things to clarify that have been seen. First of all, Microsoft itself wanted to clarify one thing. It had issued for OEMs, which are the equipment manufacturers, kind of a guideline of what processors to use, and the support for Windows 11 24H2. It led to a lot of people wondering if that drop of 8th, 9th, and 10th generation CPUs was imminent, and maybe 25H2 would remove those. And Microsoft did clarify the blog post and said, no, it's, we're telling manufacturers what are the best to, deal with in the processors for the future with Windows 11. But we're going to continue supporting 8, 9, and 10 generation without any problems. So that worry should not be there. It would have been dumb for Microsoft anyways to block those, because it's already kind of a little dumb that it blocks even some of the older ones. So that would not be the case. The other thing also is about the bypass on unsupported machines. And Microsoft also wanted to clarify that even though it removed the blog post information about the unsupported install of Windows 11, sorry, it did say that it still works, and they mentioned in the blog post at the same time that the tools that were actually announced in the blog post still are working for the install of the unsupported machines. And of course, there's other tools like Rufus that you could use to install on unsupported machines. No talk about anything 25H2. I would guess for now that 25H2 probably will also work on unsupported. But, like Microsoft says, things can change at any time. That, you have to understand that when you're on a unsupported machine. But I know that, with the impending end of support for Windows 10, there are probably quite a few tech enthusiasts that will be tempted to move on to unsupported Windows 11 on their old Windows 10 machine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.